Hey guys, today I have the JewlyBox for the month of April. So I thought I'd go ahead and unbox this. They did send this to me for review purposes, so I'm gonna just go ahead and unbag it with you guys. And it looks like this month there's actually a little card in here. It says it's time for a new kind of sparkle. And it says, welcome to April, and another little card right here. And they actually have prices and what the jewelry looks like. So this is exciting because last time I did not receive a little card indicating like prices or anything like that. So I really enjoyed that. And this is what the little the little bag looks like. It says just JewlyBox, and it has a little bow on the corner, and you can just open it up. I do feel like a lot of times when jewelry comes in little bags like this, it is nice to store it in if you want to keep them separate. So I'm going to go ahead and take out what is in here. First thing in here is in a little baggie, and they're little earrings. It says these are called the Korean earrings, and these are worth $18. So I'm going to go ahead and put these on. And they have clear backings on them. And you do have to have pierced ears for these. So I don't know if there's a option if you don't have pierced ears, even though I do feel like most people do. So those are super cute. I think I'm gonna leave those on for work. That is so, so cute. Little rhinestones all over it. Oh my god, they are so adorable. I really like that. They just kind of really stand out. Next thing in here is a necklace, and this one is in silver. And this is called the Brittany necklace, and it was worth $24. And it has a gray stonish, or like, I want to say like a grayish greenish stone on the center, and it just is clasped together. So let me go ahead and put this on. And I do really like dainty necklaces. That is like part of my style. That's just me personally. So that is super cute, and I like the fact that it's like more like a choker. You can loosen it up if you want to. I don't have it on the tightest setting, and I don't have it on the loosest setting. So if I wanted to, it could come down just a little bit more. And the last thing in here is called the Monica cuff, and this is worth $29. And I like the fact that everything matches. So this is what it looks like right here, and let's see how this fits, because a lot of times I have a small wrist. I do like this. I like the fact that it's not going to fall off. It's nice and closed, so it's more like a bangle. And it's just a very simple style, as you can see there. So those are the three pieces. It says that it's a total retail value for $71. JewlyBox is $19.99 a month, so you get 3 pieces of jewelry for $20. I feel like that's super, super reasonable. There's other ones that are a little bit more expensive. I know there's another one that I do that's a little bit more expensive than this one. So I do feel like you get quality pieces for the amount of money. I think this necklace and these earrings are my favorite. Like I always said, I'm always more into like earrings and necklaces and stuff, but I do like the fact that it's a full piece and that this is not going to fall off my wrist whatsoever, as you can see there. So let me know what you guys think down below. If they give me a coupon code or anything, I will leave it down below. The coupon code is for your benefit. I make no compensation whatsoever, so just take advantage if you want to try any of these subscriptions out. I do let you guys know if anything is something that I'm affiliated to or anything like that, so that way you guys know. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing, and if you're not subscribed already to our little YouTube family, go ahead and hit that little red button down below. I love you guys, and until the next one, bye guys.